Hello friends, have you ever wondered how hackers crack passwords without knowing them? In today's video, we are going to break down the brute force attack. What is brute force attack? How it works, types of brute force attacks, and main part is how to prevent it. So let's deep dive into it. Brute force attack is a trial and error method used to obtain sensitive data such as passwords, login credentials, or encryption keys by systematically trying every possible combination of username and password until the correct credentials found. It is a simple yet reliable tactic for gaining unauthorized access to individual accounts and organization systems and networks. The name brute force comes from attackers using excessively forceful attempts to gain access to user accounts. These attacks often use automated tools to make millions of attempts in a short period, and while simple in concept, they can highly effective against weak passwords. Many people uses the same and easy passwords everywhere, which helps attacker to break it easily. Speed of the attack depends on the complexity of the password and the computing power available at the attacker. So, what are the types of brute force attacks? Total six types of attacks are available in brute force: simple brute force attack, dictionary attack, hybrid brute force attack, reverse brute force attack, credential stuffing, and rainbow table attack. So, simple brute force attack, the attacker attempts to guess a user login credentials manually without using any software. This is typically through standard password combinations or numbers. These attacks are simple because many people still use weak passwords such as password 123, 123456, like this. Second type of attack is dictionary attack. The attacker uses a predefined list of common words, phrases, and previously leaked passwords, often with minor modifications like adding numbers, symbols to guess the correct passwords. Third type of attack is hybrid brute force attack. Hybrid brute force attack combines a dictionary attack method with a simple brute force attack. The attacker uses list of words, then experiments with character, number, letters combination to find the correct password. Fourth type of attack is reverse brute force attack. Instead of trying many passwords for one username, the attacker uses one or a few common passwords against a large number of usernames, which helps avoid account lock on any single account. Reverse brute force attack, also known as password spraying attack. Next type of attack is credential stuffing. Attacker use username password pairs that have been previously compromised in other data breaches and test them on different websites to see if they can gain access to additional user accounts. This approach is successful if people use the same username and password on multiple websites. Rainbow table attack. In an offline attack, the hacker uses a pre-computed table of hashed passwords to reverse cryptographic hashes and find the original password. So how to prevent it? Use strong and unique passwords. Use passwords that is at least 10 to 12 characters long and include a mix of uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, symbols, special characters. Avoid using common words or personal information that can be easily guessed. Implement multi-factor authentication, which is also called MFA. MFA requires a second form of verification like a code sent to your phone or a biometric scan in addition to a password which prevents an attacker from accessing an account even if they have the current password. Limit login attempt on single user. System should be configured to temporarily lock an account. The rate of login attempts after a certain number of failed tries. You can use CAPTCHA. Integrating CAPTCHA challenge into the login process can help distinguish human users from automated bots running brute force scripts. Monitor the activity and block IPs. Monitor for unusual login patterns like multiple failed attempts from a single IP address or location and block the IP address. Secure password storage. Store passwords using strong salted hashes to protect them in the event of a data breach. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe the channel.